My name is Tom Cheatham, and I'm the Senior Vice President of both Sales and Performance Marketing. So AutoOps is a shop owner's best friend, and what we provide for shops is really a streamlined process. And really it's not features or widgets. We pride ourselves on providing, less stress, more predictability in their scheduling, better conversion of their customers from Google and their website. But we're here to customize our experience for the shop owner just to make their lives easier and give them a customer experience they can be proud of. Yeah, so our sales team is broken into two groups. We have 20 folks on our traditional sales team, and they're focused on calling, 85% of shops are, mom and pops, 1, 2 location shops. And then we have our enterprise sales team that's focusing on more franchises, more multiple shop locations. So have a lot of success with large companies, medium-sized companies as well. And we split it up really to, specialize, provide the right features and benefits and customizations for each group. Yes, we pride ourselves on using a challenger sales methodology. Our biggest, I guess, biggest objection is really a mindset of status quo, right? Our shop owners are very skilled at what they do. They've had a lot of success. They're proud of the ratings, reviews that are impacting their communities. And it can be scary, obviously, to make a change in how you operate your business. And so what we want to do is provide some key insights and success stories of how we've helped shops like theirs, just make their lives easier, give more of a streamlined, simplistic approach to interacting with their customers they can be proud of. And so we really feature, we really focus on that. We want to make sure we're a great fit, and honestly, we have the interviewee's best interest in mind. So I let everyone know, any questions, fair game. We want to get in the good, bad, and ugly. I don't think there's any bad or ugly, right? But just kind of be really detailed about what we do here, what a day-to-day looks like. We like to show common characteristics that we see when people struggle at the beginning, as well as share some common characteristics of those having a lot of success with us. Share tips, share kind of where we're headed as a business, share our journey, invite people into that, and make sure we're taking care of any questions or concerns a candidate might have. That usually takes about a third of our interview. I love to really dive in and learn about people's backgrounds, find out, what their sales pitch was like, what their structure was like, what their KPIs were like in their last position. So I can share, how business might be a little different here and some things maybe they focus on in their training process. And then also, obviously, it's great to see what similarities and skill sets they can bring over here too. So build a little confidence in what that transition would look like, and then give them some things to really focus on when they do start training. And then really the third part, I'm digging into, just characteristics of the salesperson. We're looking for key attributes, right, that we think will make people successful with more of your traditional, greenhouse questions. Really like to get to know people and be as transparent as humanly possible. I'll even kind of share exactly what our pitch is so that people could see if they see themselves doing that or not. Yeah, for a job seeker looking to join the team, I'd say, do your research. You should do your research on any company. I'd say do your research like your investor, do your research in terms of what you're passionate about. So you really know what you're getting into, and make sure it is something you see yourself thriving at or fully buying into. You're always going to perform better when you're fully convicted, and that'll come across in your voice when you're talking with potential customers. So I think that's absolutely crucial. And don't be afraid to really get specific about what makes you great. And your skill sets and what you're proud of about yourself, and share that with your potential employer. It's sometimes tough to pull that kind of stuff out of sales folks. And we want to know what makes you and learn about your strengths, and know where you'd want coaching so we can provide better coaching experience for you. Yeah, I think this is the perfect time to join AutoOps. What I love about AutoOps, we have amazing ratings. When I go to our trade shows, and just tons of respect from all of our partners in the field, either shop management systems or marketing partners. And we've kind of done things. Kind of reminds me of Google, and the fact that Google the founders almost got in trouble, right? They were so focused on the product and building the best product, and they knew the money would come, right? And Steer and AutoOps have really done that same thing. They've been very talented engineering teams, really focused on the product, something we can be proud of, with no hiccups or issues and constantly innovating. And we've had a great enterprise sales experience, right? Like with giant partnerships. But the bread and butter, right? In the automotive industry is the mom and pop shops, the 1 and 2 location shops. And so we're just now scaling and finding a lot of success and building a sales team that focuses there and finding a lot of success, people ramping up fast. We had our best week ever last week, second best week ever 2 weeks ago, and have a lot of momentum. We're having a lot of fun. So you will get tons of coaching if you start here. You'll have a lot of peer coaching. You can review anyone's calls easily in HubSpot. There'll be a lot of hands-on training, call reviews. And so we have a team very committed to helping out of our new people get everything they need and more to find success. And, I've always, in my background, working at sales companies that are mega growth mode with a great product is always a magical place to be. And we're in that amazing spot right now where we're rapidly growing, we're having fun, we're, celebrating every milestone, and it's just the beginning of our journey.